we'd like to show you a quick demonstration on how you can set up adjustments for when employees clock in and clock out. The most popular request we get is how do we subtract for a 30-minute lunch. I'd like to show you how we can set that up. What we're going to do is go to Program Setup. We're going to find the box that says Workboard Setup, and we're going to define the worker's overtime. The adjustments are housed in the overtime cards, and you can see here I have 3 of them. Here's a standard overtime card that everyone will have. This says that after 40 hours, the employee will receive 1.5 times wages. I've created another card that looks identical, 40, 1.5 times wages, but now I'm going to add some adjustments into this card. So you can see here I've typed the name out lunch. I've applied after 6 hours. I want this person to be deducted 30 minutes from their time card. I can also go positive, so in the case of a break where they're going to get a 15-minute paid break, maybe after 4 hours of work, we'll go ahead and add that paid break of 15 minutes. Now just remember, that's only going to happen once, so at the 4-hour mark that employee will get 15 minutes, but at 8 hours they will not. If we want to have it break at 8 hours, we go ahead and say break, and then give it an 8-hour and then a 15-minute adjustment. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and hit save. We're going to move into our employee management. Now we have to assign that employee card to the employee, or that overtime card to the employee. So I'll click on my name. I've already selected the lunch break demo, so I've got that selected. Once I'm happy, I'll hit save. Anytime I clock in or clock out and I meet those thresholds, those adjustments will be made. If I go ahead and adjust those, the system will also make those adjustments to both overtime and the adjustments that we've put in.